Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.